Hello, good morning friends. How are you? Fine. Okay, in the last class we learnt about what, who, where and when. We will do activity number 4A. Open your textbook, page number 58. Students, now I am reading the paragraph and you listen to it carefully. After that, we will do activity with the help of this paragraph. Pappu and Monica work in their farm every Sunday. They water the plants and clean the flower beds. There are many trees in their farm. The birds live in the trees. Pappu and Monica love to watch the birds. Birds fly for food in the morning and return in the evening. There are monkeys in the trees also. They jump from branch to branch. Janak Kaka protects the farm from the monkeys. He is a helper in the farm. He stays in the farm. He takes care of the farm. We just read the paragraph. Let's see the table which given under the paragraph. Here are 5 columns. The first column is person or living creatures. As we know, who indicates person or living creatures. Our second column is action. For that we use do or does. Third column is thing or object, for which we use what. The fourth column is place, which indicates by where. The last column is time. For that we use when. In first column, person or living creatures are given. Pappu and Monica, who are person. Let's see the first sentence of the paragraph. The first sentence of the paragraph is Pappu and Monica work in their farm every Sunday. Now we find out the action. Yes, work is action. As we can see that there is no any object or things in the sentence. So we leave it blank. Students, you tell me which word indicate place? Yes, it is farm. Friends, you tell me and find that word which indicate time. Yes, it is every Sunday. So we write here every Sunday. They water plants every Sunday. Here is plants. They clean flower beds farm every Sunday. Here is clean, farm and time every Sunday. Birds fly in the morning. Here is in the morning. Birds return in the evening. Here is return. Monkeys jump banyan tree. Here is jump. Like this, we will do another activity, activity number 4B. હવે હું આપેલ સૂચના વાંચીશ. You listen it carefully. Make questions as per the examples. Let's see the table. Here are 4 columns. The first column is about Pappu and Monica. The second is Janak Kaka. The third is birds. And the last is monkeys. Now we see the first column. It is regarding to Pappu and Monica. Here 4 questions are given which is based on same paragraph. First question is, who works in the farm every Sunday? Number 2, when do they work in the farm? Number 3, where do they work? Number 4, what do they love? Friends, let me tell you how can these questions make from the same sentences. Friends, here we see the sentences in the paragraph which give information about Pappu and Monica. Let's read the sentences. Pappu and Monica work in their farm every Sunday. Pappu and Monica are persons. And who indicates person. So we here see question is given, who works in the farm every Sunday. Every Sunday is a time and when indicates time. So with the second question, when do they work in the farm? Pappu and Monica work in their farm every Sunday. Farm is place. So we here see the question number 3. Where do they work? Pappu and Monica love to watch the birds. Here we can make question like, what do they love? Now we see the second column is about Janak Kaka. Let's see the questions about him. Who takes care of the farm? When does he work? Where does he work? What does he do? Let's see the third column about birds. Who lives in the trees? Where do they live? What do they do for food? Now we see the last column about monkeys. Who jumps on the trees? Where do they jump? What do they do?
Open your textbook, page number 59. I am reading the instructions. Read the examples. Fill in the blanks using the words in the bracket. 4 words are given here. What, who, when, where. We have to make questions using these words. First example is given. So I am reading the example. Vishwas plays badminton at her house every Sunday. So how to make questions? First question we can ask, who plays badminton at hers house every Sunday? Who plays badminton at hers house every Sunday? Second question we can ask, what does Vishwas play at hers house on Sunday? What does Vishwas play at hers house on Sunday? Third question, where does Vishwas play badminton on Sunday? Where does Vishwas play badminton on Sunday? And the fourth question, when does Vishwas play badminton? When does Vishwas play badminton? So children, this is the example. Children, when we want to know the name of the person, we can ask questions with who. When we want to know something what the person is doing, we can ask the question with what. When we want to know the place, we can ask the questions using where. And when we want to find time, we can ask questions using when. So, let's do the activity. The second sentence is, Kajal and Sanjay visit different museums during the vacation. Second sentence is, Kajal and Sanjay visit different museums during the vacation. Children, now I am giving you some time. You have to fill up the blanks. Then I will ask you again. Children, have you completed your task? Let's check your answer. The second sentence is, Kajal and Sanjay visit different museums during the vacation. What is the right word for question A? Yes. Where do Kajal and Sanjay visit during the vacation? We can make questions using where. Okay. For question B, what is the right word? Yes, you are absolutely right. Who visit different museums during the vacation? So, the right word is who. For question C, what is the right word? Yes, you are absolutely right. When do Kajal and Sanjay visit different museums? So the right word is, when do Kajal and Sanjay visit different museums? The third sentence is, our school organizes a science fair in the school compound in the month of December. Our school organizes a science fair in the school compound in the month of December. Children, now I am giving you some time. You have to fill up the blanks. Then I will ask you again. Children, have you completed your task? Let's check your answer. Our school organizes a science fair in the school compound in the month of December. So children, give me the answer. What is the right option for question A? Yes, you are absolutely right. Who organizes a science fair? That is the right answer. Okay. For question B, blank, does the school organize the science fair? So what is the right option? Yes. When does the school organize the science fair? The right option is when. For question C, blank, does the school organize in the month of December? The right option is what? What does the school organize in the month of December? For question D, there is given gap. Does the school organize the science fair? So what is the right option? Where does the school organize the science fair? બાળમિત્રો, કેવી રીતે પ્રશ્ન પૂછવા તમને આવડી ગયો છે ને? Let's see the next sentence. Sentence 4. We drink lemon juice every afternoon. The sentence is given. We drink lemon juice every afternoon. Children, now I am giving you some time. You have to fill up the blanks. Then I will ask you again. Children, have you completed your task? Let's check your answer. For question A, first given the blank. Do you drink every afternoon? So what is the right option? correct word is what? What do you drink every afternoon? For question B, there is given gap. Then, do you drink lemon juice? So, the right word is when. When do you drink lemon juice? Okay. For question C, yes. Who drinks lemon juice every afternoon? You are absolutely right. The word is who. Let's see the sentence number 5. Monica attends karate classes in weekends. Monica attends karate classes in weekends. Children, now I am giving you some time. You have to fill up the blanks. Then I will ask you again. Children, have you completed your task? Let's check your answer. For question A, there is given gap. Attends karate classes in weekends. What will be the correct answer? Who? Who attends karate classes in weekends? Okay. For question B, blank. Does Monica attend in weekends? So what is the right word? What? What does Monica attend in weekends? Question C. Gap. Does Monica attend the karate classes? So, what is the right answer? When? Children, you have learned how to make questions. Here, some lines are given. You have to make your own sentence and frame two questions for that. Now, let's see activity 6. It is given on page number 60. I am reading the instruction first. You have to listen attentively. Read the paragraph and select the correct question. So, first I am reading the paragraph. Students of Standard 7 work on a project. Riya and Disha collect the information about the insects. Nishtha and Kajal bring photographs of insects. Divya, Yash and Viswas stick the photographs on the scrapbook. Harsh writes the facts about the insects. Children, there are given 3 sentences with WH questions. You have to select the right WH questions for the sentence. The first sentence is Riya and Disha collect the information about the insects. What Riya and Disha do? What does Riya and Disha do? What do Riya and Disha do? what Riya and Disha collect. So what is the right answer? Yes, you are right. The third question is right. What do Riya and Disha do? Let's see the second sentence. Nishtha and Kajal bring photographs of insects. The options are: who Nishtha and Kajal bring? What do Nishtha and Kajal bring? What Nishtha and Kajal bring? Who photographs of insects bring? So what is the right option? Yes, the right option is second. What do Nishtha and Kajal bring? Let's see the third sentence. Harsh writes the facts about the insects. The options are: what Harsh writes? What does write Harsh? Who Harsh writes? And last one, what does Harsh write? So what is the correct answer? Yes, the last one. What does Harsh write? Children, have you understood? તો ફરી મળીશું. બાય બાય.